Now, the built-in text editor is what you use for creating letters for the easy mailing and emails for the easy emails, and also the job reminder letter for the daily marketing function. Now, they're accessed from three slightly different areas, and I'll run through those now. So the first one's letters for your easy mailing. You go to your marketing menu and easy mailing. We go straight down to the select document and printer section, and we've got an option here that if you look at the documents and there's any in there, you can choose those and then you can amend those. If you want to create a new one from scratch, you can click the add new button. Clicking the amend or add new will open up the text editor. If you click new, it will ask you to give your new email a name. So if we call this testing mailing and click OK, that'll open up a blank document in the text editing system. Now, this is just like most other word processors. It allows you to do lots of things. You can open files and change them, edit them, save them, or just a page setup. Look at what it's going to look like when you print them out in the print preview and that sort of thing. You can also do the usual copy and paste and find and replace functions that are in word processors. You can also see the headers and footers, so you can set up letterheads, footers on your system if you wanted to set up a standard template that you started from in here. Also allow you to insert images, text frames and hyperlinks, so if you're creating emails you can put links off to your various pages on your websites and things like that. And also obviously you can adjust the formatting, so the character types, the paragraph styles, tabs, bullet points, the usual sort of stuff that you can do in word processors. Okay, so as I say, it's just allows you to add free text as you wish. Also, we've put in a facility to add in merge fields, so insert merge fields button here. If you click the drop down arrow, it'll show you the merge fields that are available depending on the edition that you're in. We've set up an address field that's just called address, and that will merge in the full address details. And to show you what that's going to look like when it is merged, there's a button here for test merging. If you click that, it actually merges in a sample data file, so you can see what the whole letter is going to look like when all the merge fields are in. Then we can click the undo merge, and you can see what the merge fields are on there, displayed on there. Just like every other word processor, you can do the bold, italic, underline, change your fonts, font sizes, alignment, bullet points, and all those sort of things. So it is a fully featured text editor. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is click File, Save, and that'll save that into the system, and then you can close down the text editor there. So that's the letters for the easy mailings. If I close this one down now, to do the emails for the easy email, you go to the marketing menu again and you go to easy email, and that's going to open this one here. And again, we go straight down to the bottom where it says select your email, and we're looking at templates this time. So again, if you wanted to, if there's existing ones in there, you can choose those and click amend, or you can choose the add new one. Again, it's going to ask you for a name. So if we put test email in here, click the OK button, and it opens exactly the same as it does in the easy emailing text control program. The difference is, because we've opened it from the emailing section, now there's this extra button up here that says view it as an HTML email. So when you click that, what happens is it opens up and shows you what it will look like when your recipient receives their email. So it's showing you it in your default internet browser, and it's going to show you what the email is going to look like. Now you need to have a play with this just to see what it's going to look like. You need to insert a carriage return to make sure that it's not full width of the screen and things like that. But if you have a play with it and look at the facility there that's view as HTML editor file, and that'll show you how that's laid out. And just as a reminder, you can insert hyperlinks in here. So you can insert the hyperlink there, and that can take you off to your website and various pages, and they can just click straight through. So that's the emails for the easy email. If we close this one down now, oh again, yep, you just need to click the file and save, and then close that down. So if we go out of the easy email now, there's just one more to show you, and that's the job reminder for the daily marketing. So the place that that's set up is in the setup menu, and you go to document templates, and we're actually looking at this one here, the domestic daily marketing. And if we click the button there, it'll show you that there's a couple of templates set up there already for you, and you should find those in your system as well. So you can double click those and that'll open those. If you want to create a completely new one, in the section here we've got new and template format. In this version, we recommend you set up a new getbookedup docp document format. And now it's asking you for the name below. So we put a prefix in, which just helps our system find your letter and display it when you're looking in the looking for it in a list. So I'm going to call this one test mailing reminder, and then we click the create button. And that opens exactly the same text editor with all exactly the same facilities in there. When you're finished, you click File, Save As, and close the document. So this is the section where you need to edit the job reminder letter that's part of the daily marketing service. So that's it. That's the built-in text control program in Get Booked Up Professional Plus Edition.